Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Let's learn trading again. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at an continuation series of the previous videos which we posted. So how I adjusted the Nifties. Okay, so since you can see that Nifties keep on moving ups and down. So if you see the trade for the September months, it traded down the line like around 700 800 points in the straight line, and after that it recovered and it moved around 1200 points in a next 10 to 15 trading sessions, right? So we are going to have a look how we adjusted our sold options in this ups and downside. Okay, and if you're watching our video for the first time, then I request you to watch all these previous videos which we have uploaded, and also subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting notifications whenever we upload any new videos in the futures. Okay, so as also we have uploaded lot many videos regarding and adjustments for short straddle or multiple option strategies. Okay, so you guys can watch this, and also this is our blog, friend, so where I used to track at least twice or thrice in a week for this particular positions. So I used to write what is the current position and what are the possible adjustments we can take for the Nifty's movement. Okay, so here you can see the trends, and also this respective blog link and our Telegram channels link, all those Twitter ID handles link, all you can get it from our descriptions from this current video. Okay, so here you can see that, so we actually started initiating this series on the 21st September, right? So here you can see that after making this, it went down till the level of 10,800, and after that it made an upside movement and it moved till like 12,000 levels. Okay, so right now it's trading at the level of 11,762. Okay, so this is the current position of Nifty for the past around 1 month. Okay, so it made like around 800 points down and again it moved around 1200 points upside. Okay, so if we are having an sold options, then it will cause an damage to our positions and we'll get an MTM losses. Okay, so how we can do some adjustments so that we can come across without any loss or with a minimal profit. Okay, so this is our initial trade which we took, so 11,200 put which we sold initially. Okay, so after that market started moving down. Okay, so since it is an sold put option, our put option will be in a trouble since market is going down. So to hedge this 11,200 put, we have sold one more 11,200 call at the price of 325. Okay, so after that we created a straddle at the level of 11,200. Okay, so to hedge this, to cover this loss from 11,200, we sold 11,200 call option. Okay, so after that market went down drastically till the level of 10,800, but I thought that there is an support level at this point. So since there is an support level at this 10,800 to 700 points, so I waited without making any further adjustments. Okay, so as per my thought, again, like market started moving upside, but I didn't thought that market will start moving high till the level of 12,000. Okay, so for this straddle, our upside break even is at the level of 11,690, which is like around 11,700. Okay, so I will be having I'll be in the profit if market expires below 11,700. Okay, but market started shooting up and it started moving too higher. Okay, so after further means like market started moving very violently and aggressively, so I thought instead of making any options adjustments, I simply gone long in a future. Okay, so at the level of 11,736. Okay, since my upside break even is at the level of 11,690, so I waited whether this is an fake breakout or whether it's going to move beyond 11,700. So it started moving beyond that 11,700, so I gone long in the Nifty future at the price of 11,736. Okay, so after making this, I have to make sure that if there is any sudden downside movement, then I should have some hedge in my future. Okay, so for that purpose I sold 12,000 call option, which is like around 300 points higher from my current Nifty level. So I sold 12,000 call option at the price of 80. Okay, so if Nifty is future is going to move down, I'll be having some cushion, since if future is going to move down, then whatever the loss is going to happen, like somehow it will be getting covered from 12,000 call option. Okay, since also that market has started moving higher, so I started selling 11,300 put option as well. Okay, so if you guys have extra margin, you can always sell an higher put options, or if you don't have an extra margin, then you guys can simply cover the profit from 11,200 put option, and you can shift your put option from lower strike price to a higher strike price, since the market have moved around more above the 11,700 points. Okay, so this is the current position now. So here you can see that the loss from we had a loss of around 8,000 plus in the past 2-3 days, and it have been reduced to 4,421 for now. Okay, so if the market expects anywhere between 11,200 to 12,100, we'll be getting the profit of 8,000, which is our credit for now. Okay, so this is the current position, friends. So here you can see that, so since it's an unlimited loss strategy on the either side. Okay, so if market started moving either higher side or the lower side aggressively, then we can look for the possible adjustments, whatever we can do based on the premiums available on the particular options on the on any of the strike prices based on the Nifty movements. Okay, so hope you guys like this video, and we'll be updating since we cannot make this video all the days, since market used to move 100 points higher or lower daily. So we'll be tracking like once in a week or twice in a week to see how we adjusted. But I used to write somehow in my blog, which is like financialtips.in, on the daily basis, or in twice in a day, sorry, once in a 2 days I'll be writing this blog. Okay, also you guys can follow my Telegram channel, where also we'll be posting multiple charts sometimes if time permits. Okay, so, and the outcome of this video is just I wanted you guys to learn how we can do an adjustment based on the market movements. Okay, just take an idea from this video, and if at all if you're having any option positions in the future, you guys can simply look for this strategies, and you can do an adjustments based on this. Okay, so if you guys have even commented that saying this is not a live trade, why you're posting this, just I'm not giving any live trade here, just I'm posting an examples how we can adjust if market starts moving against us. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe, and also click on that like button and comment your views. That will also motivate us to make multiple videos in the future. So thanks for watching, friends. Thank you.